Hello there, everyone. Today is going to be the weigh-in for my UKC debut on August 31st. And right now, it's currently 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to the gym to meet up with my teammates for the weigh-in because the weigh-in is going to be a long line because there's a lot of bouts. I'm in the 83rd bout, which is a lot because per bout there's two people fighting, and so there's got to be at least over 200 of us going there. And so I'm now preparing my stuff. I've already made weight. I've just taken a shower and I'm wearing my drip and I'm going to the gym currently right now. So I'm going to vlog the trip and I'll see you guys there. And I really hope I would win. Yeah. I'll update you guys once I'm finally there. See you in a bit.
Panahon na naman ang pag-ibig. Wala na akong panahon para umibig. Pero nung marinig ko yung tinig na palingon.
Hey, ilorde na boss. Tara na, palagpalagan na.
Oh, I saw it.
Presenting the blue corner from Powerlift Gym, Jerome Maasina. And partner winner from HPV Fitness, Gina Santillan.
Distance fighter pati close guard. Yan si JM ba distance talaga yan. Dito, mas mahaba yung dito yung isa sa kanya.
Magkumpiyansa, laro lang.
Galing din sa'yo. Slugger naman din. Nakita siya lumaban. Na-knockout niya rin yung kalaban niya.
Run!
Liga, no?
Kumpiyansa, ha? Dami, dami sa luma. Nagbigay. Wow! Ganun mo, ganun, no? Wow!
Panalo si Jay.
Yeah! Babalik ulit. Wow! Action, ganda. Wala, golden, golden. Kumpiyansa, kumpiyansa.
Hello everyone. I managed to snag my win at my first appearance in UKC in 2025 in August 31st. I watched some of my teammates fought as well because we fought on the same day. And soon after we just took a couple of pictures with my coaches, with them and the people that supported us for this fight. And I hope you guys really like the video. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe and comment on what you guys want me to do, and I cannot wait to upload more future videos. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Toodles.